Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today, we're going to be testing the smoke alarms at my mom's house. So let's get started. I know! Mommy, don't be alarmed. It's just a test. I'm testing them, okay?
Alright.
So if you hear them go off, you know why.
Alright.
I should probably shut the doors so it doesn't be loud. Even though it is loud. We'll start the one in my mom's room. They're connected to each other, so. Three, two, one. Oh. Come on, test, piece of shit. There. There's one. Not that loud. Okay. There's this one. Let me clear it real quick. Okay, you can shut up now. Okay. There's that one. Alright guys, I gotta pull a chair around. Okay. Okay, this one now. It's the third one. I can't. I'm doing a video. No. I'm doing two more and that's it. Yes. I'll stop in a second. I'm almost done. Go ahead, snitch. I don't care. I'm almost done. Piece of crap. Biggity back. God. Let me do my video. Alright, we got this one in here. I can't do my one in my brother's room. Okay. One more, guys, and that's it. I'm working on it. I'm doing one more. I am. Ah. Okay. Last one, guys. Because my brother is too cheeky to complain. Shut up. Alright, guys. I'm done. Finally. Alright, guys. That's the end of my video. I'll edit this tonight. Get it up to YouTube. Like and subscribe and goodbye.